Imagine spending 9 days in one of the world's most exciting fashion capitals. Hello everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm thrilled to announce that Erica from Open Doors Travel and I are inviting 15 participants to join me in London, England from May 8th to May 17th this coming spring. So this is a curated itinerary designed to inspire, educate, and connect you with other creative people who love the same things that you love. So this itinerary combines high fashion history with hands-on creativity and the thrill of the thrift hunt. We're going to take a deep dive into sewing, thrifting, upcycling, and into the incredible history of fashion. If you've been waiting to treat yourself to a creative adventure, this might be the experience that you've been waiting for. This trip is for people who love thrifting, sewing, upcycling, and fashion, and who want to immerse themselves in London's rich fashion culture. Now, I've been to London several times, but it's always just been because you land in London, you might spend a couple of days, and then you're off to some other European destination. But this trip is different. The idea behind this trip is that we're going to be taking that deep dive into what London has to offer. London is a true fashion capital. It's home to couture embroidery ateliers, iconic designers, historic craftsmanship, and the best thrifting in the coolest charity shops in Europe. We'll also see 2 extraordinary fashion exhibits, and really these 2 exhibits are what sparked the whole idea for this trip. The first is at the Victoria and Albert Museum, which is a gorgeous museum to go to any day of the week, but they often have really stellar fashion exhibits. And this year, they have an exhibit on one of my all-time favorite designers, Elsa Schiaparelli. She is a designer whose imagination and boldness and creativity changed the world of fashion. And this exhibit not only celebrates the history of Elsa Schiaparelli, who started designing in the 20s and 30s, but it also highlights some of the work being done in the modern House of Schiaparelli, which is doing such impressive work these days. So I'm just dying to see that exhibit. I cannot wait to explore that one with you. But then the second one is so special. It's actually at Buckingham Palace, and it's all of the fashion of Queen Elizabeth II. She, of course, was a fashion icon in her own right. Such a recognizable look. You'll always know that that's Queen Elizabeth based on her coat matching her hat and her black bag, black shoes. She dressed so impeccably, and so we'll get to see up close so many of the garments that she wore throughout her life. These are once-in-a-lifetime glimpses into the craftsmanship, stories, and symbolism behind some garments that shaped history. We'll get a fashion walking tour of Soho and Covent Garden to explore the stories of legendary British fashion designers. And I'm super excited because we'll get a guided tour of the legendary tailoring area called Savile Row, which focuses on bespoke tailoring, menswear, and historic fashion houses. And Savile Row is where my all-time favorite designer did his training. And of course, that's Alexander McQueen. And we'll have a chance to visit the Fashion and Textiles Museum, which is a museum founded by fashion designer Zandra Rhodes. Together, we will be going to see areas that are so important to fashion, like Carnaby Street, Camden Market, all of these kinds of places together that are rich and vibrant in the fashion that they offer today, but also in the history of fashion. So one of my favorite parts of these trips is always the hands-on learning. And in London, we're going to do 2 specialty workshops. First, we'll do a garment sewing workshop. We'll participate in the London Design Studio workshop focusing on embellishment, where you'll get to spend time at the machine, and we'll build our garment construction skills guided by local experts. And then, for something truly special, an embroidery workshop inside one of London's renowned couture embroidery ateliers. These are the studios that work on pieces for London's luxury fashion houses. So you'll get a rare chance to learn their techniques and see the magic up close. Whether you're an experienced sewer or upcycler or just beginning, you're going to feel right at home with this group of curious and creative women who love the same things that you love. So London's thrifting scene is legendary. London is a thrifting and vintage paradise. From charity shops packed with one-of-a-kind treasures to beautifully curated vintage boutiques. And there's a special event while we're there, so we'll get to discover unique treasures at this event called Frock Me, which is a vintage fashion fair with over 60 top-tier retailers. It really is the perfect destination for makers who are endlessly curious about how clothing is made, worn, and reinvented. We'll spend time exploring these shops together, hunting for pieces with potential. And one of my favorite things to do is we're actually going to build into the trip some time to just sit with our thrifted treasures and brainstorm together what potential of each garment is and what you could possibly do with it to upcycle it. So we'll share inspiration and help each other imagine what these garments could potentially become. Oh, and I can't forget to mention that in addition to thrift shopping, of course, we'll be doing some fabric shopping. There are some fantastic fabric stores, trim stores, really some beautiful things that you can get in London. We'll also get to go to Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. We'll have a guided tour there, and we'll get backstage and get to see some of the costumes, and then we'll even get to take in a Shakespearean play. We'll also get a tour of the Royal Drury Lane Theatre, which is spectacular in itself, but we'll have the option to take in a West End show, which is sort of like London's version of a Broadway musical. We're also building into this trip a little bit more free time. I never want people to be bored on my trips, so I tend to pack them. They're loaded with activities. But this time, Eric and I have decided to just take the pace a little bit slower. That's why we added an extra day, so it's actually 9 days. I really also love that idea of having little pockets of free time where you can explore London on your own or in small groups with your new friends. You'll be able to wander through areas like Notting Hill, Shoreditch, or of course, if you just want to take a break, you'll be able to sit in one of the awesome English pubs or in a beautiful cafe and just watch the world go by while you have a little bit of a rest. Most of the meals are included, but we also left some spaces there so that if you're doing your own research and you've got a restaurant you really want to check out, you have time to do that. So we might go our own separate ways for some meals, but I'm always going to be happy to have you join me for a dinner or a lunch at some special place that we find on our own. But most of the meals will be at places that Erica specially chooses for us. She always gets us into really nice restaurants with fantastic food. We always get a special beverage at each meal. Whether you choose to have that as an alcoholic beverage or not is completely up to you. But it is nice to be able to raise a glass at the end of the day. And of course, we're going to do a high tea in one of the spectacular English tea rooms. And these shared meals are where the friendships really start to bond and where conversations deeper, we reflect on our day, share each other's pictures, and really get to know each other in our new surroundings. Those meals together are really where we connect as a group. So for me, these trips are so much more than a vacation. This is travel with a purpose. They're about creativity, inspiration, and community. By the end of the trip, you'll leave with new skills, new inspiration, new confidence in your craft, and new friends. So if London is calling your name, I would love for you to join us. We have space for just 15 people, and these trips do fill up quickly. So all the details, including the registration, are linked in the description below. So London is not a cheap city to travel in, but it will be a spectacular adventure. So as with all of my trips, people will be coming from all over the world, so flights are not included, although Erica is happy to help with that if you like. So everybody will just fly, we'll all meet at our hotel in London, a comfortable hotel in the heart of the city that has a great breakfast for us every day. So the price, not including flights, is, according to today's exchange rate in US dollars, is just under $8,000. And in Canadian dollars, it's $10,999. Now this includes your 9 nights accommodation in a comfortable city center hotel in London, most of your meals, the exhibits, the workshops, this beautiful curated itinerary, and thrifting and brainstorming with me and a whole group of new friends. Erica and I have put in so much care into creating a trip that offers deep creative learning, connection, and unforgettable moments. So while many European tours offer standard or generic luxury travel, they don't include atelier embroidery workshops, behind-the-scenes fashion access, curated creative experiences, the emphasis on sustainable fashion and thrifting and upcycling, or the tightly knit small group experience that we've created for you. Our trip is a step beyond the typical tour. It's tailored for makers, dreamers, and for people who love to create, upcycle, and connect. It's a very special experience that you won't find anywhere else, and I would love to have you join us. So if you're interested or have more questions, the link to Open Doors Travel is in the description. Click there, that'll take you to the registration or to Erica where you can get more information. So I hope to see you in London, and until next time on Catherine Sews, you take care.